Hey, welcome back to edtech. Today I am here to teach you yet another JavaScript string method, and this time it is, yes, the famous split. You must have heard of JavaScript string method split a lot of times in algorithms and all that. Yes, split is quite famous. So let's get started with JavaScript string method split. So I just call it split method. Okay, let's save the file. Let me go to my JavaScript. I will do a very simple string. Let's say var string is hello. Hello. Sir, how are you? Question mark. Hello, sir, comma. Okay. Followed by the semicolon. Let's say I want to consider another string and with a splitted result. So let me call it var splitted. You can call it x splitted or whatever. So what is the syntax? You have to append the split.split to the string. So our splitted would be string str dot split, and then in the parenthesis, let's say I don't write anything and see what happens. Document.write splitted. Let's check it out. So it's hello sir, how are you? Now the thing is, here it is empty. You haven't mentioned anything here. You need a selector. So I show you how it is done. 1 second. So what if here you use a selector which is something like this, with a space, with a single white space. So what happens is hello sir, then it will be splitting. Because of the selector, it will be splitting into words. Hello, comma, sir, how, because double comma after sir, because it already had a comma. Then how are you? So it's like splitting it into different words. So if you want to split it into different words, then you have to use a selector with this open and close inverted comma, which is like with a white space. But however, if you use this once, let's say just remove this. If you don't use a white space, if it is straight away like this, then it would be splitting it into characters. Let's check it out. HELLO, sir. Even the comma it's the same thing happening. HOW, everything. So that means if you want to split a string into characters, you should just use the open and close inverted without a space. But if you use the open and close inverted with space, then it would split it into words. So keep that in mind. Now there's another option here. Until now there's only one parameter. What if you use another parameter? Let's say comma. I give a space here and then a comma. Let's say 4. So what is 4? The second parameter. The second parameter, what it's doing is it's telling the string in the extraction how many, in this case it is with a space, the open and close. So how many words you want to split. So in this case 4. So let's see what happens. So 4. Hello is one word, sir is one word, how is one word, another is are. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see another trick. What if here you remove the space between open and close, and then use the second parameter for. So then it will, as mentioned earlier, it will be like splitting into characters. So HELL, for, because you mentioned for. If you write more, let's say 7, then likewise it will give you 7 characters splitted up. So this is how it goes with parameter, with second parameter, without second parameter, with selector, without selector. The selector two different ways: one, the open in close inverted with space, and the other one without space. So this is how splitting goes. So this is called the split method, and it is used a lot of time in JavaScript functions and algorithms. So hope you understood. I'll be mentioning the source code in the description below. And if you have any more doubts or suggestions, do mention in the comment section. And if you're yet not subscribed, do remember to smash and hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you will be notified of all my regular tutorials on JavaScript. I'm also publishing lessons on front end, on HTML and CSS, and a lot of projects, and I'll be including a playlist in the description below. So do take a look, share and like and subscribe. Okay, stay safe, stay subscribed. See you in the next lesson. Ciao.